tonight we're having walking tacos. What you do is you take a 1 ounce bag of Fritos, cut along the side. And I buy these in by the case. I think it's 50 that comes in a case. I like to start with a little sour cream, then your seasoned taco meat. Next, add whatever toppings you want, perhaps a little bit of cheese, shredded lettuce, some tomatoes, and maybe some avocado, whatever you prefer on your tacos. Then you just take a spoon, walk and talk and eat your walking tacos. And they're pretty delicious.